Team Z Dynamics presenting the personal custodian snow robots. My name is Aubrey Scherfheim.
I'm Phil Puff.
And I'm Homero Sandoval.
Many Americans struggling to continuously remove their snow, physically demanding. It costs a lot of money to have the equipment, and it's a repetitive task that has to be done in order to provide safety.
And why get a snow removal service? The cost savings of getting your own equipment and doing it yourself, saving backaches, keeping your property of snow increases the property value. It gives residents peace of mind that they're not going to slip or get hit by ice. You get personalized care to do this all for you.
Our team of robots is primarily directed towards the Generation X citizens, as they would find it easier to adopt this technology. Our county governments will also benefit from this fleet of robots, which they can add to their existing snow cleaning services, and they can also be tailored towards school districts and business firms.
Challenges lie in the ability to maintain equipment, prevent slipping and falling after the snow is removed, and continue to appeal to different types of property.
And to achieve this, we have three different types of robots here. A snow blaster robot that will clear driveways and sidewalks of snow, a de-icer drone that will distribute salt and liquid de-icer to remove ice, as well as a detailer robot that will handle all of the areas that the plow type robot cannot reach.
Clear driveways and sidewalks, and it would do this by sweeping up snow through a rotary brush and blowing it out through a chute away from the area being cleared. It would be semi-autonomous once it started, receives the on command and proceed towards the end of the driveway, come back around and complete its job. Here's a 3D model of it, showcasing all the sensors, their locations. This is a diagram of the circuit. Motor for the rotary brush, lower. You got your two left wheels, two right wheels, a sensor for obstacle detection, and servo motor that will power the chute.
The de-icer main task is decipher whether it is salt or ice based off temperature that it'll be distributing, as well as communicating the start and end signals. Here is a quick model showing the overall design. And here is the circuit diagram containing 3 Arduino boards, 4 propeller motors, 2 motors that control the salt or de-icer, and then finally the sensor, the ultrasonic sensor for detecting objects, and the signal that is given through the remote.
And the detailer robot is a highly autonomous drone that starts cleaning upon receival of a start command. It identifies the boundary of the driveway and searches for objects to clean. It has 2 different modes for cleaning snow and ice, and it emits a detailing complete signal once it has reached the end of its cleaning cycle. Detailer is a track-based with a servo arm, which has built-in thermal and distance sensors. All in all, the robot has 5 servos, 3 distance sensors, 1 thermal sensor, 2 motors, 1 motor controller, 1 microcontroller unit, and 1 9-volt battery source.
The robot blast will begin first stage by moving forward. See here, around when it detects us at the end of the driveway, and then come back around, completing its cycle and signaling an off command and sending a signal to the drone telling it that it's done.
And while that's happening, the detailer bot can be handling this area that the track snowblower can't handle. It goes up and down the sidewalk here, and when it reaches to the door, it identifies that there is an obstacle here, and it uses the detailing arm to remove any snow from that walkway and boundary. There's nowhere to go, so it sends a signal that it is done cleaning.
Drone goes through the path, de-icing or salting, and it turns in small increments in order to fully get all of the areas covered. And this happens for both pads, turning, and de-icing.
Value added, property peel, semi-automatic. You don't have to worry everything all in one go, minimizing any type of physical labor.
Benefits are clear. Sit back and let our fleet of robots do the cleaning for you. No wait lists, no sticker shock. Our solution is cheap to deploy, reusable, and highly scalable. It's better for the environment. No more big plow trucks or internal combustion engines are used. Service is fast and full service. It's comparable clean time to a snowblower, but with full service detailing and de-icing as well.
This allows you to spend your time that you would have used clearing snow with your loved ones and doing what really matters. Less stress, more time.